Alright guys, welcome back. Another episode today. We are sorting out the dump pipe. So we're going to try and attempt to make a 3-inch dump pipe. So we're going to try and get the stainless pipe, form it to the T25 rear housing that we have here. What's the worst that can happen? We can either make it happen, or I'll have to go out and buy some sort of like a pre-dump flange already sorted. So the turbo we're working with is this Max Peeding Rods T25. So yeah, we've got the T25 flange here. So I'm gonna be using stainless. I've got some bends and whatnot, and I've sort of gauged and marked it up where I'm gonna have it, like that, and I'm gonna try and flatten and form it to suit the rear housing. Never ever attempted anything like this in my life. I hate working with stainless. We'll give it a crack, see how we go. All right, it's only like what, 30-40 bucks for a bend. Alright, so where we're up to at the moment, I'm definitely making some progress anyway, but just to get an idea of where I started, right? So if we have a look, that's hanging off there. There's so much gap there. It's hanging off there. And then you can see on the inside. Where I'm up to at the moment. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. So hopefully we can make it happen. Alright, so we're getting very close now. We're up to almost there. So that's something like that there. Pretty close now. I'll smack that area here. Hopefully that pushes that out, and doesn't look great, but as long as it works, it's amazing.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's probably been about 2 to 3 hours, and I'm definitely not happy with this. It's complete butchery. Have a look. So I've bent the pipe, marked it everywhere. Like, I've got it pretty close, but yeah, I don't know. Oh, and then don't forget, I need to now clean and bend that back into place. Yeah, not sure what I'm going to do. It was the right angle. It was definitely at the right angle. Like, so something like that. So at least I got the right angle on it, but yeah. I don't know what to do. V-band flange, or do I try get some mild steel? I might order, yeah, I might order a mild steel 3-inch pipe, and I'm gonna give it one more shot. we'll see how the next one turns out, and if I can't get it, yep, that's what we're gonna do. All right, well, that's a wrap for today. I'll have to order some bits, and yeah, we'll have to come back to this. All right, guys, so we've got the mild steel turbo flange and exhaust pipe now, and as you can see, I've been able to form it fairly close enough to suit the flange now. Where we're up to at the moment is I've just drilled out my little C-channel jig that I've been using, and I've mounted the T25 flange to it now, and we've got the dump pipe all bent up and shaped, and now we're gonna hit it. So there are a couple of gaps around. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna TIG, and then if I can't fill it with the TIG, I will go ahead and attack it with the MIG. But I'm thinking that we should be sweet, and I should be able to TIG it all up with some 2.4 filler, and I might fill them first, and then we'll go around. All right, so I've just TIGged it up. I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna fill it with filler rod instead of swapping the gas bottles and so forth. So you know what, I think I've actually done a not bad job considering. Have a look. I had to take a bolt out one at a time and then go around with the TIG around there, but then I've gone a bit thicker everywhere else. So this one here, I'm gonna have to die grind out a bit, so at least I can turn a bolt or a nut through. But I think the welds are not bad, all things considered. So yeah, dump pipe all sorted in a sense of on the flange, so now I can whack it onto the back here and then start positioning it. I think I'm going to need to kick it out a little bit to go through the steering column and the gearbox somewhere here, and then I'll put a V-band on it. So I think it's like 12 o'clock at night at the moment, so I'm going to call it and then hit the rest of the dump pipe probably on the weekend actually, so that way I can lift the car up and then do all my bends and so forth. So yeah, we're definitely getting stuck into it, and hopefully on the weekend I can have the dump done. I'm keen, I'm excited. Definitely moving forward very fast now, so not much longer to go. Alright guys, so the dump pipe's finally done. Have a suss. Got the O2 bung and the V-band. You'll notice dump pipe all welded up. Very happy with how that came up. We've got the AFR wideband sensor all welded up and already installed in there, ready to go. Yeah, like that's it. That's where we're up to. I don't know, I don't have much more to go by the looks, but again, it's all those little things, those little tedious jobs that, you know, are the time consuming ones that will take up the rest of this month. But yes, that's where we are up to.